In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create reports in Salesflare. By the end, you'll know how to get quick insights from the built-in dashboards, tailor what you see with filters, and export or print the results to share with your team. Let's start with the quickest path to insights, the built-in dashboards. Head to the Insights section from the sidebar. Here you'll find default dashboards, like revenue and team, designed to automatically surface key sales metrics. These include won revenue, recent activities, pipeline status, and performance insights. Click the dashboard you want to explore and let it load the visualizations. At the top, you'll see filters for date range, team, and pipeline. Adjusting these immediately changes what the dashboard shows, so you can focus on a specific period, a particular group, or a single pipeline. This is the fastest way to evaluate trends and performance without building anything from scratch. Now, once you're in a dashboard and you want to go deeper, use the filter panel, typically on the right side. This is where you slice your data to answer precise questions. For example, you can show only won deals, break down revenue by team member, or zero in on opportunities within a specific pipeline. These filters work just like they do in other parts of Salesflare, so the behavior will feel familiar and consistent. A quick tip: combine a time frame at the top with a detailed filter on the side to narrow the view without losing context. If a number looks off, double-check which pipeline and team are selected at the top. Those global filters apply to everything you're seeing. When you're ready to share your findings or store a snapshot, export or print your reports. First, pick the dashboard you want from the drop-down, so you're sure you're working in the right place. Confirm your filters are set exactly as needed. Then, click the three-dot menu on the dashboard itself, or on an individual report tile if you only need a single chart. Choose Print Dashboard to create a clean, formatted printout, or select Download Report to save a copy you can share. Exporting after you finalize filters ensures the file reflects the exact time period, team, and pipeline you care about. That's it. Use the built-in dashboards for quick visibility, refine what you see with the filter panel to create a custom view tailored to your sales data, and export or print when you're ready to share. Apply the same approach across different dashboards to keep your reporting consistent and clear.